Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play for honor. To begin, you must first grasp the art of battle system, which is central to all combat. This involves mastering 3 distinct stances, top, left, and right, for both attacking and defending. Learning to parry incoming attacks and dodge effectively will be crucial for survival. Furthermore, practicing feints allows you to trick your opponents, creating openings for powerful strikes. Understanding these fundamental mechanics is your first step towards becoming a formidable warrior on the battlefield. Next, you will choose your hero from 4 distinct factions, each offering unique playstyles. There are 28 unique heroes available, categorized as vanguards, heavies, assassins, and hybrids. Each hero possesses a unique moveset and set of abilities. It is highly recommended to experiment with several heroes to discover which one best suits your personal combat preferences. Customizing your chosen hero's gear and perks will further enhance their capabilities and allow for a personalized appearance, making them truly your own. For Honor offers a variety of engaging game modes to test your skills. Dominion is a popular 4 vs 4 objective-based mode where teams fight to control 3 zones across the map. If you prefer more focused combat, duels provide intense 1 vs 1 battles, while brawls offer 2 vs 2 skirmishes. For grander scale, Breach is an epic 4 vs 4 mode where attackers escort a ram to destroy a castle's defenses. Each mode presents different strategic challenges and objectives to master. To truly excel, incorporate advanced tactics into your gameplay. Utilize environmental hazards, such as ledges and spikes, to gain an advantage over unsuspecting foes. In team-based modes, effective communication and coordination with your allies are paramount for securing objectives and winning engagements. Consistent practice in the training arena will sharpen your reflexes and execution of complex combos. Additionally, observing experienced players can provide valuable insights into new techniques and effective counter strategies, helping you continuously improve your game.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.